Hello, I'm Jeremy Hunt, and welcome to another episode of Nature Unmasked. Today, we'll be exploring the Warrenwood Reserve, and we'll be having a look at some of the fascinating flora and fauna in the region. Let's go see what we can find. Well, you have a look at this. It's amazing. This is what I've estimated to be a 100-year-old stringy bark. I think this tree has been standing here for 100 years, untouched by human hands. Now, these trees are known as stringy barks, generally because you can make string out of the bark. Look here, we've already found a fascinating example of a Diplodonian wattle. These trees are native to this area and are known for their extremely strong and dense wood. Okay, although we haven't been able to locate the actual animal, here we have found some emu tracks here, proof that the animals inhabit the area. It's horrible how humans intervene in the path of nature. As you can see up here along this small creek, the council have put in this horrid fence here to stop cyclists from cycling down here and eroding the bank. But as you can see, this poor tree has become trapped in the wire. I'll just free the poor darling. Come on. Here we go. That's good. You're free to go.
It's dead, fatty rat.
For this region, the gobble tree is a very fascinating and unique way of rejuvenation. What happens is, when the seed drops to the ground, these protective casings form around the sapling while it's growing, so it's free from all threats and wildlife. Look here, an amazing rare example. Nowhere in the world grows an upside-down tree where the leaves are underground and the roots splay up into the air. It's a fascinating, amazing example of nature being an idiot. Look at this rare species here of caterpillar tree. This is only a little sapling. It's probably only about a month old. But as you can see here, tiny caterpillars usually grow from the ends of the tree and eventually develop and, of course, turn into butterflies. Now, this is a strange example because around the base we have a very aggressive type of moss. We have peat moss. Now, on the tips of this moss, what it does is it has these little stingers on there that rather... Look at this, an amazing rare example of a wombat hole. Wombats are fairly rare for this region, as you can see. About this... Hang on, are you sure this is a wombat hole?